So it's time to pick another winner for the TT Christmas giveaway, and this time it's for the i10 AirPod clones. These are some Bluetooth TWS earbuds, and they're actually very good sounding. They're not quite as good as the real AirPods, but they are very close. And if you're new here, we're actually giving away a new prize every day up until Boxing Day, so the links are down in the description if you do want to go and enter. You can also come back for daily entries to give yourselves more chances of winning. You can see there's a lot of entries so far, but there's not that many people in the competition. Each person can get 800 entries at first. They can then come back for bonus daily entries, so there are less people than that. So don't be put off by that number, but it's time to pick another winner. Christopher was the last winner, so we'll go ahead and pick a new one. As always, I have zero say in who wins. The system just picks for me, and that's why I do it this way. So the next one, however, is Kim Young, so a huge congratulations to Kim. She's won herself the i10 AirPod clone, so I'll contact her and get those sent out. Please can everyone wish Kim a huge congratulations down in the comments below, and as always I apologise to those of you that didn't win, but there's still plenty more opportunities. As always though, thank you for watching this video and good luck in the next giveaways.